In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature block in Adobe Sign. This straightforward process will help you seamlessly sign digital documents, making your workflow more efficient. First things first, you'll want to open up a web browser. You can use any of the major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you've got your browser open, head over to Adobe Sign. Make sure you're logged in, as this is essential for accessing the features we'll be discussing today. If you haven't already set up an account, it's easy and quick to do, but for today's tutorial, let's assume you've got that covered. Once logged in, take a look at the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see the Tools pane there, which is your gateway to a variety of powerful PDF tools. Find and click on the option labeled Fill and Sign. This is the area we need to be in for adding signature blocks to your documents. After clicking Fill and Sign, direct your attention to the top of the page and find the Sign icon. This icon often looks like a fountain pen, symbolizing its functionality. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. From this list, select Add Signature. Now, when adding your signature, you have the flexibility to choose how you want it to appear. Adobe Sign provides three distinct options. You can type your name and have Adobe render it using one of its stylized fonts. The second option is drawing your signature using your mouse or touchpad, which can give a more personal touch and ensures it looks exactly how you want it. Lastly, if you already have a scanned image of your signature, you can upload it directly. This is particularly useful if you prefer keeping your signature's look consistent across all documents. Once you've decided on how to add your signature, go ahead and click Apply. This action will place your new signature into your active document. You'll likely see the signature appear in a default location, but don't worry, Adobe Sign makes it simple to move. Click and drag the signature to its intended spot within the document. Make sure it's positioned precisely where you want it, typically at the end of the document or wherever the signature block is present. And there you have it. You've successfully added a signature block to your document using Adobe Sign. With this skill, you can streamline your document signing process, making it easier to manage contracts, agreements, or any digital paperwork that requires your signature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most out of your digital tools.